So this page looks kind of similar to the first one. The only difference is this time, they're not drawing the lines for us. We have to figure out, do these shapes have a line of symmetry? And if there is a line of symmetry, we have to draw it. So let's go shape by shape. This first one, the lightning bolt. Can anyone tell me, does the lightning bolt have a line of symmetry, or does it not have a line of symmetry? Am I able to find a line to draw on this lightning bolt that would make a line of symmetry, or would it not work? Bella, what do you think? Is there a line of symmetry on the lightning bolt? Nope. The line of symmetry does not exist for this lightning bolt. There is no line I could draw, whether I go vertically, up and down, horizontally, side to side, or even diagonally. I can't make a line on this shape that would be a line of symmetry. The sides just wouldn't line up. So the lightning bolt has no lines of symmetry. What about the next one, my like rainbow shape? Who can tell me for the rainbow shape? Does it have a line of symmetry or not? Jadine?
Down the middle?
Down the middle. So if I draw a line going up and down, so vertical, I have a line of symmetry. I could fold my rainbow and both sides would match. Or it kind of also looks like a piece of macaroni, huh? My rainbow macaroni shape here. So it's got a line of symmetry. Do you see any more lines of symmetry on it, Jadine?
The one that the one that looks like a star
Well, no,
down the middle.
just this one. Do you see any more lines of symmetry on the rainbow macaroni shape?
No.
No, it's just got the one. But it's still a line of symmetry. What about the next one? This little like chat box looking one. Who can tell me, does the chat box have a line of symmetry or does it not have a line of symmetry? Christopher, what do you say? Line of symmetry, no line of symmetry?
No line of symmetry.
No line of symmetry. If it was just a rectangle, it would have some lines of symmetry, but the little triangle at the bottom kind of messes that up. Any way I try to fold it, I won't have two congruent sides. So, no line of symmetry. What about this one? This like upside down L shape. Does the upside down L shape have a line of symmetry? Or is there no line of symmetry for the upside down L? Bella, what do you think? Line of symmetry or no line of symmetry?
No line of symmetry.
This one does have one. It's a little trickier. It's not a straight up and down, not a straight side to side. This one would have a line of symmetry that way. If you fold it diagonally, this one would have a line of symmetry. Because the two parts would fold over, they would match up. So remember, lines of symmetry are not just up and down or side to side, not just horizontal and vertical. They can be diagonal lines of symmetry too. What about this like star looking one? Can anyone tell me if the star looking shape has some lines of symmetry or no lines of symmetry? Bailey? Bailey with the B?
It does have lines of symmetry.
Okay, where?
If you like uh I can't say the word uh or like the one that slants like a line like this.
Diagonal?
I Yes, I just can't say it.
Okay.
Between like between the points of the star, like point and then
You mean
like
like
that.
this?
Yes.
Okay. Does it have any more?
Um if you put it straight down the middle on a point like that.
Okay. So like this?
Yes.
Okay. Any more?
Um if you do it do it sideways on the same thing as the straight one but on sideways.
Like that?
Yes.
Okay. Are there any more?
And the nat
Diagonal?
diag on the other side, like this, on
Okay.
the between the 2 points,
That?
like that.
Yeah. Absolutely correct. So this one had a lot of lines of symmetry. We had four different lines that you could use for
Remember the
symmetry.
prom.
And what about this last one? I mean, it's kind of like a rectangle shape. Does this shape have any lines of symmetry? Jaylene? What do you say, Jaylene? Yes or no?
Yes.
Where do you think it has a line of symmetry?
Um, a straight line.
So where?
The side on a straight line.
Okay. If I put a line here, when you flip it up, this point doesn't have anything to match it over here. So it doesn't have a line of symmetry this way. Let's try going straight up and down. Gotta make my line a little. Okay, if I fold it this way, this point and this point, look how little that is. Look how long that side is. So those two wouldn't match. And then if I tried going diagonal, we kind of already saw that with rectangles, diagonal doesn't really work. This one doesn't have a line of symmetry, but it's because instead of being a regular rectangle, they turned it into like a little bit more of a parallelogram. But because it's like a slanted rectangle or like it's like a leaning rectangle, it doesn't have any lines. There's not a way that we could really fold this that would make it all line up. If it was just a regular rectangle that stood straight up, or if it was laying straight down on the side, then it would be okay. But the only shapes that do have lines of symmetry here, I'm going to use my squiggle tool, or scribble, circle them, are my macaroni rainbow, upside down L, and my star. Those are the shapes on this page that have a line